Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today is not only Bangsasug Day, but it is para kako, it is a Freedom Day.
Pilipinas, Pilipinas,
Today, we commemorate the founding of the province of Sulu and honor the bravery, heroism, and stories of the people here, so valiantly reflected in your rich history, your culture, and the traditions which have been carried on to this day, showing the collective progress of the people of Sulu and the Bangsasug.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Happy Bangsasug Day and Happy Liberation Day. I declare the festivities open.
Kulasin tausog manong natuod kahanungan at may singinug kita abanawin chilin lupasug chilin lupasug chilin lupasug kita abanawin chilin lupasug chilin lupasug chilin lupasug kita abanawin chilin lupasug.
Today's event is the launching of Usulan and the opening of volleyball tournament. In Maksud, sin pagpaon, sin intermunicipality, volleyball tournament ini, bukon sadya, bat subay kamo in mag-champion sa ipakita sing kita niyo, bangaon sporting events biya ini in Tausug, iban Bangsasug, magkatipon siya, biya na sin Jimatu hamahapon niya.
Simawa na inhulat na kukalasahan kita aba malano biya na sa pantun mahayang pangatayan kuko na sa mapaso real talk paunahon ta natin ang huding pistok sumadiin na kita harap pati.
Today, let me remind you that we are not only commemorating the 634 years of governance and administration, but welcoming the new chapter of our long history of struggle for liberation from forces that hold us static in a state of abandonment and neglect.
Kulasin tahusog manong natuod kahanungan at may singinug kita abanawin chilin lupasug chilin lupasug chilin lupasug kita abanawin chilin lupasug.
Lupaon tayo kawasa pagtaumas mga amin temporary ra asal sabing kata temporary sa imbang sata more sense of permanence.
Chill na kita tay manghud lumimo in kabuhi biyabong ang kahoy na hinug lawi ka na naman bang kawat taas na sinbud kakitaan mo tuod sinway roon na lingog miskin nandayahan
Magtibuok kita niyo, magtabang magsama-sama, dawhaton, inyaangan-angan, dato halam si pangatayan tanyo, hamasaydi, sin aon na kalimayahan, yari halam yunggungan nato.
paglilingkat na tuod tinula ta di ihasulu Bisan ako malayo na hula di ko na kalupahan lupasok kalasahan hulasin mga karandilang kamaasan lupasok kalasahan hulasin mga karandilang kamaasan di ko na kalupahan.
Nainini, this is to celebrate your pagluwastlong sa tiban sin tuyo sin aming bangsa tanyo.
Kulasin tahusog manong natuod kahanungan at may singinug kita abanawin chilin lupasug chilin lupasug chilin lupasug.
Truly, this is a great celebration of the Bangsasug Day, so this will certainly make it truly Bangsasug. So mabuhay ang Bangsasug.
Yeah.